In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Canva design as an email. We are going to come to this email document here and we're going to click on it. From here, you see this is a blank canvas or a blank page. It says design a new email, but I'm going to go over to design here and find templates that are already designed. I'm going to pick up this template. I like this one a lot. I'm not going to go into customizing all this. If you want to see a video I made on how to customize your email and get it all set or create an email from scratch in Canva, I will link it in the description or it will be somewhere on the screen. So from here, this design is already set for us. We want to send this as an email. What you should do is to go to share here, and if you come here, you will see all these options that are here. You have send test email, you have download, you have Gmail, you have MailChimp, and you have all these options here. So I want to send it as an email and I want to go over to Gmail. Now, from here, you're going to connect your account. I have connected my account. For you that is watching this video, you will see an option to connect your account from here. You follow the on-screen process and connect your account. Once you have your account connected, you click on export to Gmail. It will export your design and it will open up in your drafts in your Gmail here. You see it's opened up in my draft. I'm going to expand this for you to see the design. And if you go down, you see that the same design we made in Canva is as it is. You can also come here if you still want to touch some, you can edit things from here, but I'm not going to be doing that. And once you're happy with the design, you can come over to here where it says recipient, send to the person if it's one person you're sending. So if you want to add some people to also see the email while you send to the original person, that's also fine. But if you want to send it to different people and you don't want them to see who you sent it, so you can use the BCC here and send it so each of them gets an individual email. Once you're happy with that and you've added your recipient of the email, you hit on send and your email is going. It says I don't have a recipient here. So I'm going to do a test run here to send it to my own self, and I will send it to myself. And if we go to my inbox, you see I sent myself a design. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.